You see the ads everywhere, but is this $250 paddle truly the best one money can buy? Here's the secret. Many pros don't even use the most expensive models. They prioritize fit over price. That is because a huge marketing budget does not always equal superior quality or performance. The truth is, there is no single best paddle that works for every single player on the court. In this video, we'll show you the hidden physics and material science to find the right paddle for you. Let's start where most players make a mistake, their hand. Grip size is a hugely significant yet ignored factor. Too small? You'll squeeze hard, causing fatigue and losing shot control. Too large? You restrict wrist motion, slowing your reaction. Getting the grip right improves performance, but it also helps prevent injuries like tennis elbow. Your connection starts here. So you have the right grip, but what about the paddle's weight? It's not as simple as the number on a scale. That number is static weight. What actually matters is swing weight, how heavy it feels in motion. Why can two 8-ounce paddles feel so different? The answer is in weight distribution, which begins with the materials inside the paddle. Let's look at the core. Different core materials produce different feels. Polymer offers control, while Nomex delivers power and a loud pop. Aluminum is lightweight with less power. Thickness also alters the feel. Thicker 16mm cores give you more control, while thinner 13mm cores provide more pop and power. And the surface is what generates spin. Raw carbon fiber and other high-friction faces grip the ball, letting you shape your shots. So back to our question. The location of these materials defines swing weight. A head-heavy paddle has a higher swing weight than a balanced one. But there's a deeper source of spin than just a gritty surface. It's a concept called dwell time, how long the ball stays on the paddle. A paddle face that flexes slightly on impact actually pockets the ball for milliseconds longer. This imparts far more spin than a stiff paddle. We've covered the physics, but how does this apply to different players you see out on the court? Consider a beginner. A high-end paddle with a high swing weight may be uncontrollable. They need a lighter, more forgiving paddle. Now, think back to the pros. They aren't just picking a brand. They are micromanaging swing weight, flex, and grip to match their game. And if a paddle isn't perfect off the shelf, they will modify it. This is where lead and tungsten tape come into play. Adding tape to the sides increases stability and the sweet spot. Adding it to the top increases power. This fine-tunes a good paddle into a great one. But even your perfectly tuned paddle has an expiration date. So how can you tell when your paddle is dead? For competitive players, a paddle can last just 3 to 12 months. For casual players, it might be up to 2 years. The decline is often invisible. A paddle's performance drops long before you see any cracks or chips. The internal core materials break down, killing its pop. You'll notice dinks popping up too high, or drives feeling mushy and weak. At the same time, the gritty surface wears down, reducing your spin. Recognizing this invisible death is a key skill. So what are you paying for in a premium paddle? Is it just hype? Or is it a longer life? This is where premium materials and manufacturing make a difference. Better materials resist that internal breakdown for a longer period. So, a premium paddle's value is consistency. Its superior materials mean its swing weight and face flex stay true for longer, delaying its performance death. This means the best paddle is a perfect match. A match between your style, the paddle's physics, and your budget for replacing it when it dies. This changes the entire way you should shop for a paddle. So, what is the single best method to find your perfect match? First, avoid this common mistake. Don't buy a paddle because your friend or a professional uses it. Their game is not your game. The golden rule is this: demo, demo, demo. Most shops have demo programs. Use them to feel the swing weight, the flex, and the grip yourself. And remember, a well-chosen paddle you customize will often outperform a more expensive off-the-shelf model that isn't a good fit for you. So, is this the paddle phone money can buy? No. The best paddle is not bought, it's found. It's the one you test and understand, a true extension of your arm.